and we call it M1. M1 has been optimized for our most popular low-power systems where small size and power efficient. We couldn't be more thrilled about the new Mac Mini, MacBook Air, and MacBook Peaches, and the latest improvements to our industry-leading privacy features. This is the new MacBook Air with M1. This is the new Mac Mini. Allows us to pack a remarkable amount of performance and capability into its compact design. Here's the new 13-inch MacBook Pro, of defining and building the next generation of Mac. And at the core of this effort is the silicon, delivering a whole new level of integration for most.
Altogether, the 8-core CPU in M1 is by far the highest performance CPU we've ever created. And more importantly, it delivers this performance at the lowest possible power. In fact, the M1 CPU leads the industry by delivering the world's best CPU performance per watt.